All right, so William had a bad left knee, and William kind of just give them a little quick rundown on what did your knee feel like on a 0 to 10, how bad was the pain? And you told me you couldn't go up and down steps very easily because that was really bad. So
couldn't go up and down steps. I'd say a 7 or 8 on pain.
How long had it been there?
It had been going on for several months. It had gotten worse after I'd done some work out on the carport. I'd gotten down on my knee for quite a while working, and it got to where it was pretty much unbearable, to where I couldn't walk hardly.
So then,
actually was using, wasn't walking very good at all.
So then you decided to come in. We talked about doing one of the new regenerative shots, and we did that how long ago?
It's been about a month and a half.
About a month and a half. Now, that 7 pain, and it was hard to go up and down steps and do things. How long did it take before that started calming down after we did that regen shot?
I'm gonna say about a week and a half.
So the pain kind of leveled down pretty quickly.
Yes, sir.
And then the functionality, you said going up and down the steps within a few weeks, that you could kind of do that easier.
Exactly.
And now we're a little over a month out, and you can go up and down the steps?
I go up and down the steps. I have no pain at all.
Zero?
In my leg, no.
No pain?
No pain.
Getting up and down out of a chair is easy?
Getting up and down out of the chair.
Whereas that would have been difficult before?
Very difficult, yes, sir.
Okay, so in general, even in a month and a half, and we know this is going to kind of keep getting better, and we're going long term with this, but you're happy with this?
I'm very happy.
You would recommend this to other people?
Yes, sir. I would.
So happy camper, another happy camper with a good knee, and I think we're good.